Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think elementary level math is nothing but dry worksheets, rigid drills, and repetitive calculations that drain all the fun out of learning, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 5-6 puzzle called the Mathematical Jigsaw Puzzle, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an intuitive visual strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. When you put the puzzle pieces together correctly, they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. What is the result of this calculation? A. 24. B. 33. C. 42. D. 51. E. 312. Here's the challenge: solving a mathematical jigsaw puzzle. We have 5 small puzzle pieces, the number 0, 2, 1, 3, and a plus sign. It's a fun mix of visual logic and arithmetic that's perfect for beginners. First, you need to identify the ends. The 3 piece has a completely flat left edge, so it forms our solid left wall. The 2 piece serves as the right wall. Think of it like framing a house. You absolutely must set up your solid outer walls before filling in the middle. Second, we've got to connect the middle pieces, the 0, the plus sign, and the 1, by matching their sticking out knobs to the cutout holes. Now, since the plus sign has one right blank and one left outward tab, where else could it possibly go without breaking the chain? Literally nowhere else but the middle, that is, between 0 and 1. That gives us a strict visual order of 3, 0, plus 1, 2. Finally, we do the math by reading our correctly ordered expression: 30 plus 12. Look, mental math isn't about holding massive numbers in your head. It's just about breaking things down into manageable chunks. Add the 10s to get 40, add the 1s to get 2, and you instantly arrive at 42.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.